Hi everybody. Alam nyo, kapag mayroon kayong tao na nag-aapi sa inyo, halimbawa, mayroon chichismis sa inyo, they're talking nonsense, that's slander yun. Pero wag ninyong papatulan, hayaan lang ninyo, kasi kapag hindi niyo pinatulan yan, hindi ninyo sinasagot, hindi niyo sinasagot ang mga paninira sa iyo na hindi naman totoo, para masira ka, binibigyan ka ng bad reputation. Hayaan lang ninyo, kasi kapag hindi niyan hindi ninyo sinagot siya, galit na galit yan sila. They are more angry and angry if you don't talk back to them. Because kasabihan, jealousy can kill you. And then talking behind the back on you, that's slander. So, sa mga taong na mga ganyan, ay wala yan. They are jealous in your life. They're jealous what you got. They are jealous everything what you have. They're gonna bring you down much they can. So, ang hirap naman nito, Tagalog ako, English. I have to talk English and I have to talk Tagalog because, you know, there is a lot of different country that they can't talk English. So, they can't talk Tagalog, sorry, pardon me. They can't talk Tagalog, so I have to explain in Tagalog as well. So by the way, what I'm saying is, it's somebody talking about nonsense about you that they call slander. It's really just let him be talk and just you're silent, because that's what happened to me. I let them talk, I just silent. And then, I went to talk to my lawyer. Kinausap ko ang abogado ko. Kasi marami akong ebidensya. Kaya ayun, pinadalhan sila ng subpoena. Kaya tumigil na sila. Thank you very much for watching Real Talks. But it's true.